Hi my dear children, welcome to QT TLM and Creations. In this video, shall we write Vidyavaradi, 2nd level, English medium, 8th class, biology worksheets. Let's go to write. Biology worksheet number 2, 8th class. First, choose the correct answer. The method of preparing idli is steaming, fermentation, roasting, frying. Yes, probably we are preparing idli is steaming. So, A. Identify the herbivore from the following: lion, cow, dog, tiger. Lion, dog, tiger are not herbivore. Cow is the herbivore animal. Which plant is insectivorous among the plants given below? Hibiscus, teak, nepenthes, aloe vera. Yes, here nepenthes is insectivorous plants. So, nepenthes. C. Next, fourth one. I am a component of food that makes paper translucent. Who am I? Starch, fat, protein, vitamins. Yes, fat. Fat makes paper into translucent. So, we can write here B. Next, filling the blanks. Silk moth larva feed on dash leaves. Mulberry leaves. Silk moth eats mulberry leaves. Next, good quality of wool is obtained from dash sheep. Merino sheep. Next, animals that depend only on plants and their products for food are called as animals that depend only on plants and their products for food are called as herbivores. Next, small microscopic openings present on leaves are stomata. Next, answer the following questions in one word or one sentence. What will happen if we don't include roughage in our food? Yes, if we don't include roughage in our food, it will be causes constipation. Next, list out the 4 major things needed by plants to carry out the process of photosynthesis. Yes, there are 4 major things are there. Yes, there are 4 major things: chloroplast, light, carbon dioxide and water. Next, give examples of plants having taproot system. Yes, there are so many plants are there, but here I write here some plants. Beetroot, carrot, groundnut, tamarind, mango, papaya, etc. Next, write the parts of the plant edible in the given table. Yes, name of the plant, part that we eat. Groundnut. In groundnuts we eat nuts. And tomato. Tomato is fruit. Sugarcane. We eat in sugarcane, that is cane stalk. So groundnut, nuts, tomato, fruits, sugarcane, cane stalk. Next, write the type of venation of leaves A and B given below. Yes, this is reticulate venation, this is parallel venation. Yes, this is reticulate venation and this one is parallel venation. Next to worksheet number 3. Choose the correct answer. Identify the junk food from the following: leafy vegetables, nuts, dry foods, pizza. Yes, pizzas are junk food. These are natural food. Second one, cotton fiber is obtained from cotton leaf, cotton stem, fruit, flower. Yes, we obtain fruit. The process which involves the exchange of gas is called respiration, circulation, digestion and breathing. So circulation is involves the exchange of gases. Next, seeds are dispersed through air, water, birds or all. Yes, all these are helps to seeds are dispersed. Next, filling the blanks. Flowers containing both male and female parts are called bisexual flowers. Next, dash are the respiratory of organs fish. Gills. Next, the process of removing seeds from cotton wool is called ginning. Next, eggs, larva and dash imago. Next, after larva comes pupa. Next, answer the following questions in one word or one sentence. What is spinning? Yes, spinning is the twisting technique where the fiber is drawn out, twisted and wound onto a bobbin. Next, give examples for animals which respire through skin. Yes, amphibians. Yes, amphibians like frogs, toads and salamanders and also earthworms also respire through skin. Next, what helps to bring pollen grain to the stigma? Air, water, birds, insects and animals. How does seeds are dispersed? Wind, water, birds, insects and animals. Next, observe the diagram given below and label the parts. Yes, this one is pollen grain. And this is pollen tube. And this is ovals. Okay children, we will discuss another topic in another video. Until then, bye children. Thank you.